Hey guys, Phil Magic here, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this back hand effect. Alright, first, what do you need? You need your pen, you need a camera, and you need a tripod. Alright, and if you got all this, you can start to shoot. Set up your camera into position from where you have a good view on the area you want to change. In my case, it's my living room. So if you're shooting with a big camera like I do, make first sure that you set all the settings to manual, and especially if you have a lens with a large aperture size and therefore with a shallower depth of field, you should make sure that you set the aperture to f8 and record as wide as possible to keep everything in focus. When you record with an iPhone, just make sure that you hold your finger in the camera for a few seconds to lock the exposure and focus. Alright, and when you're done with all those settings, the practical part begins. First you need to decide which action you wanna do. I want to put this table to here and this chair into this corner. We're gonna all do it by stop motion. Move your hand slowly into the frame, one step forward, photo, one step forward, photo, and so on until it looks like you touch the object you want to move first. Then remember where your hand was. Go into the frame, rearrange the object into the direction you wanted to move. Go back to the camera, arrange your hand roughly at the position it was before, and adjust it to the new position of the object you have just moved. And by this principle you can do it with everything. Just watch. Alright, good. Now when you have shooted your scene, grab your SD card and put it onto your computer. I did this whole stop motion thing, by the way, with a video, so now in the edit I'm just gonna take every single frame I personally prefer. I'm gonna do a screenshot of it and then connect them all together. Alright, and right now while I'm editing this, I also noticed that when you add sound effects to the whole scene, it makes it even more intense, so definitely use some sound effects, and yeah, let's watch the final video. You can apply this effect to a vlog, to everything you want, especially it took me only 10 minutes to do this. It brings a little bit more diversity to your vlogs, to your videos. Yeah, I hope you learned something. If you have any further questions, just ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. See you soon!